Hey guys, so it may or may not come as a surprise to you that I kill every houseplant that I ever try to grow. I don't even try growing them anymore. I may get by with seedlings, just enough to get them out in the garden, and I have not had any success. If you've seen a couple other videos I did last summer, no success whatsoever of actually growing a mature plant indoors and getting a harvest. However, last month we did a giveaway with Viparspectra, and it kind of gave me the itch to try again. So this time, instead of starting out with tomatoes, I'm going to start out with the easy plant that I tell all new gardeners to start with, and that is lettuce. Which is perfect because we're actually ending the lettuce season here in Southern California. It's going to start getting too warm for lettuce to grow outdoors, probably within the next month. I would love to be able to grow my own salads year-round, 12 months out of the year, no matter what the temperature is outside. Now, in the garage, where I tried to grow the tomato last year, it just gets too warm in the summer. And so I'm going to start my lettuce or grow my lettuce in this corner of my office. Then if I'm successful with lettuce, maybe I'll graduate myself up to peppers and tomatoes in the winter months because it would be cool to get those harvests when it's cold outside. So Viparspectra was kind enough to kickstart my efforts by sending me a XS4000 grow light. This puppy is big, and I'll betcha it's pretty bright. Plug it in. Oh, yeah. It's bright, all right. So it's big, it's bright, it's full spectrum, and like the other one that we gave away last month, it has a dimmer knob. Oh, that wasn't even the brightest. That was on dim. I love the dimmer because then you don't have to raise and lower the light. You can just raise and lower the dimness. This light covers a 5-foot by 5-foot space. That's big. So if you want to grow along with me, Viparspectra was actually kind enough to send you guys discount codes. I've got all the information on those down in the video description, but there are 5% off some of their products and 10% off some of their models. I'm going to update you on my progress every couple of weeks, and every so often, Viparspectra is going to offer giveaways of their lights to you guys. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you know when our videos come out and the announcement for those giveaways. So over the next couple of weeks, I got to decide how I want to grow. Do I want to grow the traditional way? Or do I want to try my hand at hydroponics? Or maybe both. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see me try. I've heard from several of you after our giveaway video that some of you already have Viparspectra lights that you've been growing with, and I didn't hear one negative comment. Everyone seemed to be raving about them. So again, cross your fingers for me. And if you have any tips, if you're good and successful and experienced with growing indoors, pass those tips on below, please. I need all of your best tips. See you next time.